another preamble. Express the given vector in a bearing form. C equals root 3I minus J.
150 degrees.
Incorrect.
Video inquiry no question be say ya ebe ya fofofo etise koko. Answer for question we no enema mienu na ohia vector no ne tenten which is the magnitude and na ohia baby a vector no walk the direction I can bearing for the vector. Vector ne tenten no sign and answer the magnitude of the vector no the formula here square root of x squared plus y squared. X and one I into uhu I the I no that will be the value for x. Into the I more question a root 3 into x a sign root 3 y a j the j name our question a minus 1 into a say y a value a minus 1 into magnitude for c a maybe I don't x beyond root 3 into root 3 squared plus minus 1 squared. Root 3 squared ni ebetra root sign into being square root of 3 plus 1 minus 1 squared and 1 minus 1 times minus 1 which is equal to positive 1. 3 plus 1 4 into root 4 every saying 2. Therefore magnitude of c saying 2. Vector no ne tenten 2 and your friend magnitude. Yenya first component na the component no also you call no baby a vector na the direction of the vector. J ejina homa say wo kosro north ana wo from south. Say J minus it say the vector no wo south. Say plus wo north. I ejina homa east and west. Say I minus wo mensa bonkum so west. Say I positive wo wonsa nifa so east. Question here the amount I positive, J negative, and say vector no one south east because I positive east, J negative south. And a vector no tenten no 2. Bearing so per angle and I say per bearing na you take measurement from clockwise from the north until the theta no ebesha baby. X value no root 3, y value no 1. We say y value no so now say minus j into minus 1. And part me that so bisa. Ye eba bearing and I say eba say yen calculate for the value for theta na angle na yesu bibi a friend absolute value. Absolute value no say bibi a negative a positive. So bibi a positive a positive. Into minus 1 no absolute value for minus 1 a 1. So okay bibi a friend so katwa ni be yesu e question no. Twane ye tan theta opposite over adjacent. Theta ni gina ha baby. Ejina ha ena root 3 gina ntino opposite ne saying root 3. Enti adjacent theta no minchemu no yehu 1. Root 3 divided by 1 and 1 root 3. But still na yen solve for theta no. Enti ye be use adibi a friend special right angle triangle. We no else ochi good trim. O draw triangle. Now the 60 degrees ashe angle ha. Now the 30 degrees ashe na higher 90. Shese vertical axis na wo special right angle triangle 1. Yes, you hear anything. 1. Hypotenuse ni tintim no saying 2. Right angle triangle ni tintim no 2. Horizontal axis x axis no question no yed my root 3. Right angle triangle value is root 3. And the show say you betting a use way triangle way and they find the value for theta tan 60 opposite over adjacent. Opposite no root 3 divided by adjacent 1. Every man root 3. Into a chair say tan 60 is equal to root 3. It was right angle triangle ni mu dia. Tan theta man root 3 no. A chair say theta is 60 degrees. But in real question no. My catcher will say, who measure angle for bearing now? We start from the north clockwise direction. Any ever. Over measure from the north now babeka vector no. Sa angle no here. Any who say, aha, 60 degrees. Angle na from her to her is 90 degrees. And to say, aha, to a higher 90 degrees, na higher sister, I just say 90 minus 60, every month 30 degrees. And to a say, I say no, 30 degrees. And to see a take a measurement from North Pole na the vector na 90 plus 30, every month 120. And the question we know, the answer in here no 2,120 degrees. 2 no age now for the magnitude. 120 age now for the bearing, the direction. But so what be every video ma. But what they say obe like it, obe share ama unye bi hu na won so why then wa subscribe so unsubscribe ya. Baby asema metaka can say practice makes permanent. Embohu, don't be afraid of the big schools. Mass now. Practice de bia nyamugide sawon so obetimi aye.
Think, learn,